Okay, we are documenting again. Today is December the 26th, 2021, and this is paddock D, is in Delta. We have been here before, about 2 months ago, 2.5 months ago, and now we are just documenting again what we've done since then. So now you can see the ground. Still no grass growing, but you can see that it's lots of leaves on the ground. Now we're going to look north. This is same direction that we started our other videos. Now the Lonicera have lost their leaves, so you can see straight through now. You can see some dead ash tree stumps going up the hill. There's some cedar trees up and beyond. The furthest cedar tree that you see between toward the left, more left side of the screen, that far cedar tree is right up by the road, which is pretty much the end of the paddock, or the pasture, whatever, the yard. So that's the farthest corner. And now we're gonna go eye level. You can see these cedar trees that will have been on the past videos. I put a flag there in that tree to make it easier to see from a distance. Now this is the biggest change that you're about to see. This is now looking down from the northeast side of the pasture down, looking south down the east side. Okay, and now we're looking more toward the south and moving more toward the west, Okay, we're looking into the sun here in just a minute. I apologize for that. There's my honey over there. Wave, honey, to the camera. There you go. Now we're looking pretty much west, directly over toward the other corner of the pasture where C will be. You can't see the flags for C. You may be able to see some pink flags, a double flag there. That's pretty much the center of the that's the lane which will run down through the middle of the pasture. Okay, now we're continuing to look around. You can now see the shed through the trees. Part of the house can be seen in the cars. All right, and again, looking north. Now we're gonna go up into the canopy, and the canopy hasn't changed a whole lot. We're just looking at cedar trees, and the deciduous trees have all lost their leaves, of course, and you may notice that there are fewer trees in the canopy because I did cut down quite a few of those. So that's the tour of paddock D, and this is December the 26th, the day after Christmas, 2021. Again, that's paddock D.